I'm going to show you all the ways to save an Excel workbook. Go to the top left-hand corner and select the floppy disk icon. You can also just select the Control and S keys at the same time on your keyboard. After you select the Quick Save button, if this is your first time saving this workbook, you will have to name it and pick a location to save your workbook. Once you've done that, simply select the Save button. Now that your file has been saved, you will notice the Autosave button feature will activate on its own. If you do not want to autosave your work, simply select the button to turn it off. Another way to save your work is the Save As button. You use this to rename your work or save it in a different location. To get to it, we are going to select the File button in the top left. Here you can see your recently saved work and the Save As button. You can also select your F12 keys as a shortcut to the Save As feature. Once you select Save As, you're going to want to select Browse. Here is where you can save your file, change the name of your file, change the file type, and change the location of your file. When using Save As, if you want to change your workbook into a different file type, such as a PDF file, make sure to select one of these choices under File Type before saving. Once you've picked a location and name for your file, simply select the Save button.